In this video, solution to the problem number 53, which was uploaded on 30th December of 2020, will be discussed. This is also the right time to mention that this problem, that is problem number 53, is of same type as the problem number 50, which was taken from the question paper of the admission test of the year 2015 conducted by the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, abbreviated as TIFR, for admission to their institute, and was uploaded on this channel on 27th December of 2020. Now we begin to solve the problem with the knowledge that, I repeat, we begin to solve the problem with the knowledge that the rise of temperature, I beg your pardon, we begin to solve the problem with the knowledge that the rise of temperature represented by equation 1 on xy plane will be most rapid in the direction of gradient of phi, which is formulated and found for the ongoing case in equation 2. So currently pay attention to equation 1 and equation 2 written on the top of the board. So all we need is the unit vector along gradient of phi at the point P, that is 1, minus pi by 6. For this, gradient of phi at 1, minus pi by 6 is found as shown in equation 3. Equation 3 is very important in the context of the problem, so please pay attention to equation 3 after looking at equation 1 and 2 carefully. Unit vector n cap along gradient of phi at the point 1, minus pi by 6 is now found as shown in equation number 4. Equation number 4 is a pretty long equation. Please see all the steps involved and pay very careful attention to equation number 4. Before proceeding further, it is important to remember that heat flows from hotter to colder temperature. This point is very important, so I mention this again. Before proceeding further, it is important to remember that heat flows from hotter to colder temperature, and so the required direction of the most rapid flow of heat is along minus n cap, that is along minus of gradient of phi at the point 1, minus pi by 6. This important point is mentioned on the board. So please take a look at that. So please read that carefully. I repeat this point again. The required direction of the most rapid flow of heat is along minus n cap, that is along minus of gradient of phi, or minus n cap at the point 1, minus pi by 6. And this is very easily given in equation number 5. Please look at equation 5 carefully. This is of course the last equation for the problem. It is also important to note that option B of the question also has the same pair of option. I repeat, it is important to note that option B of the problem also has the same pair of option but in the wrong order, and thus option D is correct as written on the board. I repeat again, option D is correct as written on the board. Well, I hope that the solution is clear to everyone after watching this video. Thanks for watching the video.